Hi everyone and welcome back to the final morning report chart analysis for today, Tuesday the 29th of July. And as ever, it's gold on the final chart. And I remained, on my written morning report, I remained fairly neutral on gold because I think it is a very difficult call at the moment because it is fairly news driven, and that's generally around the whole Ukraine and Russia issue. And Over the past 3 weeks, it's been very choppy. But you would argue also that these moving averages are generally forming the basis of support. These confluence of the 55, 89, and 144-day moving averages, all bearing support around about that 1295 mark, 1296. Um, and are the base of support. And whilst that continues to happen, I think the bulls will be quite happy because you've still got all these momentum indicators, which you would say, on the balance of it, are generally quite positive. And also, you've broken this big primary downtrend as well. It dates back to October 2012. So, on the balance of it, you'd say that it's broadly on the positive side still, and the fact that, as I said, that support's come in and held is a good thing. In terms of a near-term trading outlook, there has been a band of resistance, 1305 up to 1310. This is on the hourly chart. That band of resistance, 1305 to 1310, has been holding it back over the past few days, really, but it's now starting to try and break out again. And if it can hold above 1310, I think you would start to think, well, okay, this is going to be pushing higher back towards that 1318.10 peak, and then the important near-term resistance at 1324, 1324.44, if you're going to be exact on my chart, but the levels will be slightly different depending on which software you use. But still, the resistance, I think, that is the key point on the near-term basis, is around that 1324.50 mark. But yes, if you can start to break and hold above that 1310 point, I think that would certainly suggest that the near-term outlook is improving once more. And with this, the fact that the medium to longer-term outlook is still improving, I think, with these moving averages and the downtrend breach and the momentum indicators as well, I think we're still bordering on the fact that maybe you should be looking at buying into corrections, because I think that this gold price has got some improvement in it in the medium to longer term basis. Anyway, as I said, a move above that 1310, if you can hold above that resistance, I think that then you start to look higher. Okay, cool. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.